Hey everyone! Welcome back to Telecom Unplugged with Atul. Today, we are diving into the world of virtual private networks, or VPNs. VPNs are essential tools for securing your online activities and maintaining privacy. Let's explore what they are, how they work, and how you can set one up. Ready? Let's go! Let's start with the basics. What is a VPN? A VPN, or virtual private network, is a service that creates a secure, encrypted connection between your device and the internet. This means that your data travels through a private tunnel, making it much harder for anyone to intercept or access your information. VPNs are crucial for maintaining online privacy and security, especially when using public Wi-Fi networks. Now, let's discuss how VPNs ensure secure communication. VPNs use encryption protocols to protect your data. When you connect to a VPN, your internet traffic is encrypted before it leaves your device. This encrypted data is then sent through the VPN server, which acts as a middleman between you and the internet. This process hides your IP address and makes it difficult for anyone to track your online activities. Additionally, VPNs prevent unauthorized access to your data by using strong encryption standards. So, how do you set up a VPN for personal use? Let me show you. Setting up a VPN is easier than you might think. Here's a simple guide. Choose a VPN service. There are many VPN providers out there. Some popular ones include NordVPN, ExpressVPN, and CyberGhost. Choose one that fits your needs. Sign up and download the app. Go to the VPN provider's website, sign up for an account, and download their app for your device. Install and open the app. Follow the installation instructions and open the app once it's installed. Log in and connect. Use your account credentials to log in. Then, choose a server location and click Connect. And there you have it. You are now connected to a VPN. This secure connection will keep your online activities private and protect your data from prying eyes. To recap, VPNs create a secure, encrypted connection between your device and the internet, ensuring your data remains private and secure. They are essential tools for anyone concerned about online privacy and security. Setting one up is straightforward and can greatly enhance your online protection. Thanks for joining me today on Telecom Unplugged with Atul. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more insightful content. If you have any questions or topics you'd like us to cover, drop them in the comments below. Stay safe online and stay curious. See you next time.